Hello everyone, welcome back to Stay Tuned, a voiceover series initiated by We Got Guru, a music school in Bangalore that provides music lessons with a panel of 45 plus seasoned and certified tutors. I'm Anurupa, your host for this episode, and in today's segment, we are going to talk about the BTS.
Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't pop like trouble, breaking into your heart like that.
BTS is a South Korean boy band that includes 7 individuals, that is RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V and Jungkook. They are under hype labels, also previously referred to as Big Hit Entertainment. BTS debuted in the industry on 13th June 2013 with the lead single No More Dream on their album Too Cool for School. BTS has been taking the international music industry through hurricanes for some time now, and there aren't any symptoms of them slowing down. With a large following on a worldwide scale, BTS has numerous meanings, like the unique one being Bangtan Sonyeodon, which means bulletproof Boy Scouts in Korean. It indicates deflecting stereotypes, criticisms, and expectancies like bullets. The acronym now additionally holds for Beyond the Scene. BTS commenced gaining interest 6 months earlier than their debut because of their social media and music covers. In March 2016, Forbes indexed BTS as the maximum retweeted artist. They also launched 29 track films and 22 singles in only 6 years from 2013 to 2018. Big Hit Entertainment's first album launched through BTS, which changed into Dark and Wild, released on 19th August 2014. BTS also placed their own range display, which they starred in and known as Rookie King Chanel Bangtan. As of July 2018, BTS has received 53 awards on account of its formation. BTS is recognized for lyrics that touchy subjects like faculty bullying, societal ideas, intellectual fitness issues, suicide, nihilism, and girl empowerment. The band members RM, his initials stand for Rap Monster. However, his complete name is Kim Namjoon. RM discovered English through watching the famous American sitcom Friends. BTS member Suga is also considered for rapping with inside the band. However, he's also talented on the piano. Another interesting fact is that Jungkook is the youngest member of this band, as he was born on 1st September 1997. Fans of BTS are popularly known as ARMY, an acronym for Adorable Representative MC for Youth. Unlike other K-pop bands, BTS holds a prominent positioning in generating maximum in their own berry track. BTS had performed at the 2017 American Music Awards, which changed into their first ever TV overall performance within the United States. BTS changed towards the primary K-pop institution to get their very own Twitter emojis. The emoji was installed as a task for BTS to locate in which their largest fan bases had been discovered. In the end, Brazil, Turkey and Russia got on the top of the list. BTS has offered a minimum of 7 million albums globally as of July 2018. The 0.33 complete duration album from BTS, known as Love Yourself Tear, was released primarily at the Billboard 200, which made them the most straightforward K-pop band to do so. Their album Love Yourself, Her, sold higher than 1.2 million copies across South Korea's Gaon album chart just in its first month of release. It has become the most significant promoting Korean album in 16 years. BTS is also accredited gold singles like Mic Drop Remix and DNA. They are the primary and to date most straightforward Korean artists, as above mentioned, to accumulate gold certifications. BTS has been logo ambassadors for Puma on account of 2015. In 2018, Coca-Cola Korea delivered on BTS as a marketing campaign model. BTS even donated 7 heaps of rice to charity in 2016 at the K-Star Road beginning ceremony. Moreover, BTS has virtually carried out their giving back. In 2017, every member donated kind of $8,950 to the 2014 SeaWorld ferry disaster households. Group member V performed the saxophone for 3 years in faculty. After South Korea beat Germany within the 2018 World Cup, BTS's new music, Fake Love, climbed 31 spots within the charts. For a bit perspective, one of the gadgets within the equally complicated offered almost $75,000 million. Suga immediately stated that if he became rich, he might purchase red meat, which is highly priced in South Korea due to the import fees. So on his 25th birthday, he donated $19,000 worth of red meat to only feed the orphans. BTS is extensive in fashion. A number of their ideal manufacturers are Gucci and Calvin Klein. BTS also drew a gap on the Times magazine in 2018, listing of 25 most influential people on the internet. When BTS paired up with UNICEF, stimulated supporters eagerly donated to the motive and raised $1 million in much less than days. This included the UNICEF's marketing campaign to feed the malnourished children. None of the BTS individuals are from Seoul, even though many human beings assume so. Instead, they are all genuinely from exceptional provinces around Korea. That's all we have for now. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Drop in a like and let us know in the comment section what you'd like us to talk about in the next episode. Do share this video as well, because sharing is caring, and also subscribe so you'll always stay tuned with us and will never miss out on any episode. See you in the next episode. Till then, stay safe and take care.